Welcome guys to today's session, and I'm going to show you my warm-up routine, what I use for bulletproof shoulders. Each time when I'm warming up, it's very important that I start all exercise, which is gonna help me to prepare my shoulders properly for work. So also important, if we talk about the shoulder health, is to improve your functionality of your scapular. So this is a good example how you can rotate, improve the rotation, and in the same time range of motion. Make sure that the all exercise what we are doing in here is gonna be in full control, using your shoulder and shoulder blade, better motion for the scapula and less pressure you're going to have on your neck. So make sure that you always improve the functionality of your shoulder blade. Then thanks to it we save ourselves getting more pressure in our joints. So in here I'm using the articular rotation for the shoulders, and so each motion, so we want to bring our shoulders back and improve the full rotation. So if you are missing those rotations, you are not able to get to the movement, make sure you're gonna come back to myofascial release and go with the ball around the shoulder blade between the spine and scapula to be able to get the freedom in the movement. Yes, in here we are giving a rotation, internal external rotation, holding the shoulders up. We can do also rising the shoulders. And so as you can see, all the movement give us the possibility to go. Yes, in here what I have a dumbbell, and with this dumbbell we also repeat the similar movement. Select more lightweight at the beginning, so like I recommend 2 kilograms maximum. Yes, and then we go to the full range of motion, going to the back. Then we are rotating with the shoulder blade. Yes, then we can hold the dumbbell on the back behind us, and also improving rotation and stability for the scapula. So that will give you a great warm up. Prepare your shoulders and scapula for every lift. Scapular protraction and retraction with the extra rotation to warm up my upper body in the same time, because very often if we do some power clean or snatch, we need to also remember that we need to warm up, prepare your upper body as well. Yes. So from this position I'm going to the downward dog. So the knees are staying a little bit away from the floor. Yes, that is helping me to engage more core and build up stability for the shoulders. And then in here I have posterior chain stretch fully. Yes, and in here I'm going to cat and cow position. As we know, this is a great mobilization for our whole spine. You can also separate the whole movement. Yes, going from starting from the cervical spine, going to thoracic and mid-back, and then the lumbar spine all the way down, or you can combine everything. Yes, now also rotation, driving with the rotation, with the scapular, also helps to loosen up all the often people or powerlifters end up with the overworking trapezius after the overhead squatting. So it's very important to mobilize your shoulder blades fully before you do any overhead presses or folding. As you can see from here, my scapula is fully working. This is how the healthy shoulders should work to prevent the injuries, yes, and feel pain-free. Yes, we can do some thoracic rotation and open up for chest and shoulder in that position. As well, if you get your knees wider in that position, you can feel the nice stretching on your adductor. Yes, if you're missing that mobilization, if you're missing that flexibility in your adductor, in your hips, then you're gonna feel limitation of movement. Yeah, so then we need to go back to myofascial release, a little bit release, loosen up to prepare our body for movement. Yes, and also shoulder opening, rotation, driving forward. Important is to focus on the full movement and focus on the rotation. Make sure you, when you bring up the shoulder, you look behind and you follow up, control movement. Yes, and bring it back, open, close, open. Yes, Then trying to lift as well. If you have some limitation in the shoulder, that's a great drill too. Yes, release, reduce the pain, and optimize your movement for a better performance during the training. Make sure you warm up your body properly. Yes, not only for injury prevention, but also to move your body more efficient. Yes, with the greatest power. Yeah, so yeah, we can achieve better acceleration power thanks to better mobility drills before the training. And here we have a protraction, attraction, and we pushing back. Yes, our hips. And here we have a lifting. This exercise is great to really release the tension from upper trapezius. As you can see, we stretch fully, and also yes, we are strengthening the lower parts, so medius trapezius, lower trapezius, getting nice engaged in this area. So I've seen a lot of benefits with me, myself, and my clients. Remember, train smart, live your life pain-free. BODYFIX by Adam. Subscribe to my channel, and as well visit my website and subscribe to the course if you need more detailed plan for mobility to improve your performance. In this course, I'll be covering the most common postural imbalances in the human body. Very often the biggest problem is with the bad posture, poor biomechanics, movement dysfunctions, and limitation in the movement. Thanks to my course, you will be living your life pain-free and reaching the best shape of your life.